Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just quickly want to share a new book about with you about the data science. I just find out this book, and I just have finished reading a few pages of this, and I find this book very useful to start in the field of data science, and just to get an idea about what does it mean by data science, what are the different things involved in it, and the name of this book is Numsense. Data Science for Layman. This is a quite good book. It can provide you brief idea about what are the different things that are involved in data science, and also the brief idea about the mathematics that is involved. And also it's quite simple to read from the perspective of a layman who does not have any time worked with the data science or even have seen any data science concept. So I would definitely recommend this book reading. And just quickly I will be writing the name of the writer. The name of writer of this book is Annalyn. So she's a data scientist at AWS. So by reading this book, you can pretty much find that she has also put his work experience. What are the things that she has learned at a job also inside this book. And the other writer is Kenneth. He is also in industry, so he has also put some information regarding his work experience into this book. So this book is quite useful in terms of just getting into the field of data science and getting to know the basic concepts that are involved in data science. Thank you for watching this video. I do recommend this book. Please check out this book on Amazon. You can find the link for this book in the description below. Do consider purchasing if you are interested in data science. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.